Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your green screen clip and a neutral reference plate into After Effects. Make a composition that matches resolution and frame rate so scaling doesn't introduce artifacts. Once done, duplicate the footage layer and hide the copy. This gives you a safe backup. Make sure color management is consistent across footage and project settings because color shifts break keying. Now move the working layer to the top and prepare to add keying effects. Don't waste time adjusting masks yet. You apply keylight 1, 2, and sample the green with the screen color eyedropper because accurate sampling gives a cleaner matte. Next, tweak screen gain and screen balance until the subject holds fine detail, then open screen matte to adjust clip black/clip white for noise reduction. Use matte choke or refine matte sparingly to tighten edges without eroding fine hair. Finally, add a dispill bias to remove green spill on skin. Once balanced, render the alpha preview to confirm transparent areas are solid. You now place the intended background under the keyed subject and immediately work on integration. Match color temperature, exposure, and contrast so the subject feels placed. Add a light wrap to blend edges and a tiny edge blur plus film grain to match texture. If you see matte flicker or thin hair loss, try temporal smoothing or a small directional blur before keying, or switch to roto for problem frames. Alternatively, sample a different green patch and rerun keylight. That troubleshooting step usually fixes the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.